Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locating the invoices that carry the trade discount, and you note the discount rate, original price, and invoice date. Once done, verify whether the discount was authorized under contract or by a manager. This tells you if reversal needs approval. Now open your accounting ledger and prepare a reversal entry template. Include account codes for sales, discounts allowed, and receivables, so you can post adjustments cleanly and trace them later. Next, you post the actual reversal entries. Debit the discount allowed or a sales returns account, and credit accounts receivable or reduce sales revenue, depending on your accounting policy. Make sure to attach the original invoice number and a reference ID so auditors can trace the transaction. While entering amounts, recalculate tax if the discount affected taxable base, and update VAT or sales tax entries accordingly. This step finally, reconcile the ledger against customer statements and bank records to confirm the removal cleared the balances. Notify the customer and internal approvers in writing, explaining the adjustment and providing corrected invoices. This keeps relationships transparent. If discrepancies appear, review the original contracts, authorization logs, and the audit trail. Often a misapplied credit or data entry typo is the culprit. If needed, escalate to accounting manager for manual review and corrective journal entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.